Alright, Top Cowboy Fan at OL.com, Gold Star 1963. As you can see, anyone that knows anything about rifles and surplus firearms, this is called a, raise your hands if you know it, that's right, Yugo. Alright, it's a Yugo, all numbers matching, imported by Century Arms. That's a 5966 Gustava plant in Syria, and this is all with a grenade launcher, bayonet, and it is basic 10-round magazine. Now, what my cousin gave me was this. Actually, I bought this polymer one. Okay, it fits, it works, but you know something, it just looks a little, not right. I was thinking, something, what happens if I put on this metal one, which my cousin gave me? What kind of modifications would I have to do to this? Everyone's saying, oh, don't do it, you got to do so much thing, you got to mill that out, you got to do this. I go, I don't think so. Let's give it a shot. Do I need to do anything to make this look like this? I don't know, man, but it would be badass. Let's find out. Alright, first thing we're going to do, make sure the weapon's clear. You put this on safe. Check it for rounds, nothing in there. It's clear, so we're going to break this down. If you want to learn how to break this down, it's pretty simple. Alright, pop that, which is your magazine release. Okay. We're going to take this little lever here, pop that up at 12 o'clock, with a little pressure on the cover, the dust cover. You're going to wiggle this out, and that's going to release your dust cover, and then your bolt carrier, recoil spring, and your fire bolt comes right out. The bolt comes right out. Okay, here, from there we're going to take a little punch. There's a little depression right here underneath the trigger guard. We're just going to give that a little pop, spring loaded. That comes right out. Trigger guard comes out. And your magazine, internal magazine box mag comes right out. Okay? Beautiful. Very easy to do. Now, the hard part. What we're going to do is we're going to put the trigger guard, the trigger assembly, back in, minus the magazine. Alright, so we're going to put that in. We're going to push that back on, and without doing anything else, let's just double check and see if it works. There's a little, you see this little catch right here, this little ridge. There's another ridge right inside here that's going to fit into. Okay, you probably won't be able to see it on film, but trust me, it's there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this here, and it's tight. That's like virgin tight. Okay, slide that in, slide that down, and you know what? That boy. That boy fits in nice. I thought it does. then. Like they say, if it don't fit, use a hammer. Alright, be right back. Stay right there. Okay. Yeah, something. If you could laugh at yourself, that's nothing for you. Okay, one more time. Alright. That goes in. And voila, it snaps in. Obviously, this cheap piece of shit needs another little soldering, but that's what happens when you get those cheap ones. Okay, but yeah, it goes in. No questions asked. So once again, let's try to put this back together again and see how it really works. Okay, we're going to put the bolt carrier and assembly back in here. Okay. Bang. Shebang. That goes there. That comes out. This cover goes on. Put pressure on the spring. That's down. Okay, what we're going to do here is we're going to lock this up using the catch. Alright, if you don't do that, you might screw up the magazine. Okay, so now you take that, pop it in, and you press that. Fit, finish, no milling, no pounding, no nothing. My screw up, I've got the wrong mag, but this one works nice. Pops out. Pop that out. Try to lock that up again. What we want to do is you want to hold that back, put that out, and then remove the magazine. So once again, can you do it with a Yugo? With the right magazine, yes. Nothing else matters, but you got to have the right magazine. This little piece right here, the magazine release catch broke off, which, you know, what can I tell you? It's just a little piece of cheap thing, and me using a little mallet probably didn't help. Alright, any questions? Give a holler. TopCowboyFan at AOL.com. Gold Star 1963. God bless y'all. Have a nice night. God bless America.